Welcome to EDI 101, Module 4. In this module, we will explore the different communication channels. Communication channels are the connections that a customer and Orderful use to send and receive data. For instance, here you see Orderful structured with organizations for each partner. To trade, each partner must configure organization-specific resources, and each pair of partners must configure partnership-specific resources. Most of Orderful's customers connect to Orderful using our RESTful APIs, but many of their partners use legacy communication channels like AS2, VAN, or FTP. This means that customers likely need some knowledge of these legacy systems in order to communicate with their partners while onboarding them, understand their partners' communication channel requirements, and to troubleshoot live delivery issues brought up by their partners. Our customers have multiple options to connect to Orderful. AS2 is recommended. AS2 transmissions occur over HTTP or HTTPS with a certificate used to encrypt and sign data. The pros of this communication channel are that it is secure and in real time. However, the downside of AS2 is that it is more complex to set up and maintenance is needed with certificate updates. File transfer protocols are used for trading data because they are typically easy to configure and have an added benefit of cost efficiency, sometimes being free solutions. However, this communication channel type has asynchronous deliveries, can be less secure, and maintenance for the server host is needed. Indirect connections with trading partners are done through a value-added network or VAN. Often referred to as the electronic post office, a VAN is a third-party service that transmits and stores data in an electronic mailbox until it is picked up by the appropriate party. With some partners, this is your only connection option. The downsides of VANs are asynchronous deliveries, and using a VAN usually incurs extra charges per message sent or per kilo character. You are now at the end of Module 4. You've done it! You're on your way to becoming an EDI champ.